What is this? Oh my gosh, what are they doing? Are we making a dress? Are we making a suit?
Something with a gypsum?
With some gypsum bandage? Right? Okay, yep. Now we're making a mold, it looks like,
Yep.
of legs.
What?
I don't know.
I mean...
Guys, do you know what's happening? I am so lost.
It's like...
And now why are we cutting the butt? No, stop.
Yeah, be careful.
Careful of the butt.
What is their disclaimer here?
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have our mold. Thank you very much.
Yep. So now you can take it with you.
And we're taping everything together. Very nice.
Okay, but still, what is that?
Still very confused. Still have no idea.
Yeah.
It looks like maybe it's going to be a statue.
Statue?
It could be a statue.
But why they use the only bottom part, not the top as well?
Maybe it's like a weird, risque statue. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll see in a moment, I guess.
Yeah.
What is this? Wow.
Ugh.
It's a silicone or something?
Yeah, it looks kind of gross.
Yeah, well,
I don't want to put that in my mouth.
me neither.
That's the last thing I would want to put in my mouth.
What is this?
That'd be weird.
Wow.
Okay, so now they're making
I kind of
scales.
like this action.
It is kind of nice. It reminds me of making cake.
Yeah.
Loop, 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 loop. Nice.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Ah.
The grown-up mermaid. Nice. And of course there are our feet, because this is 5-minute crafts.
What was that? Is silicone, right? Not a glue gun, right?
Yeah, no.
It wasn't glue gun.
It was.
It wasn't.
Not.
Not glue gun. Yeah. Okay, the same action here.
Okay, more of this stuff.
Okay, it's a tail, yeah? Alright.
Alright, very nice tail. Yeah, cool, cool, cool.
Oh, that part.
And then we're attaching.
Where is the gypsum part? They get rid of it?
I think they got rid of the gypsum. Yeah. They had what they needed. Just threw it away.
They did everything.
Where is that thing, by the way, that they threw away? That. No, for just
Why are you asking?
Science? For science. Okay. So now we have some nice pearls, it looks like. And then some nice silver accents. Cool.
It actually looks interesting.
It is interesting. I would expect like mermaid. I think of like pink and like green and stuff like that. So this is changing it up, switching up the formula.
Yeah, and it looks like, I mean, it looks like more natural. Something like, you know.
That's cool. Why is it's winter? That's brave.
That's very, very.
I bet she was like inside.
Maybe no.
They're like, just a few more shots, Stacy. She's like, oh, what is that?
What is that? It doesn't look like a human being. I mean,
that is not any human being I've seen. Yeah. You know what? Actually, it looks like my first grade teacher. Okay.
So I have a bad news for you.
Oh no.
Okay, wow. It's a fake, right?
I'm pretty sure it's a fake, yeah. Pretty sure.
No way it's
Guys, is that fake? Let us know. That looks... Unless you know a creature that looks like that. It reminds me... It looks like a mermaid. Is it the lady?
Is it... No, by the scalp. It doesn't look like...
Oh, Darth Maul from Star Wars. A little bit.
No, with a mermaid tail, right?
Yeah, exactly. But he had his legs chopped off. So maybe he had them replaced with a mermaid tail. Okay, now we're cleaning up our skelly.
I'm sorry, I'm speechless. It's just a...
Ew, the feet are weird.
But it looks so natural, to be honest. I mean... Nice faking.
Nice faking. Excellent faking work.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well,
the real question is, was this all real? Absolutely not.
What?
They fooled their friend. With friends like these, who needs enemies? She's so mad.
Yeah, it was disappointing. Okay.
I thought I discovered a new species.
We're gonna be, I don't know, famous because we found this or something.
Wow, okay, so they really took the time to make this. I thought they like just went to a party city and like, got some Halloween decorations.
Yeah.
But no, they made it.
And so many efforts for all this thing, for all this action, prank, I don't know.
Yeah.
Wow.
at you, the least you could do is just, I don't know.
Don't pour water out of the tray.
Exactly, that was so disrespectful.
Yes.
Shame. Wow, they're going crazy in the whole mold and everything.
Really wow.
If I had friends that did this, actually, I would be a little concerned. We might not be friends afterwards. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's a little too much effort, a little too much time that took them to do this.
My friends shouldn't be that. That kind of person.
Those
who
kind
can
of people.
spend, yeah, their free time on this.
No, you know what? They can have their hobbies. So this is interesting. They're using paper to like make it look more legit, because it looked not legit at all at the beginning. It's like a plastic weird skeleton.
Yeah.
So it's actually impressive that they made it look real from that.
True.
Nice.
Okay.
Not too bad.
Not bad at all. So some painting job as well, which is make it better.
Definitely looking better now. It's all coming together. Okay, now we have some hotness, some thermoplastic.
Yeah, we actually use this plastic. I love it.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah, easy to use and
It's like a glue, right?
yeah, and it's became very hard, so we can mold to a lot of things.
So now we're getting the teeth in. Gross. Yeah, those teeth are really gross. Good job at being gross.
True.
Set it up. The perfect crime.
Yeah. So, wow.
Okay.
No, it's a bunch of job.
Yeah. I would have just, like did the prank where you put a bucket of water above the door and then you have your friend come through and the bucket of water falls on.
That's
it.
maximum.
That's,
right?
that's maximum effort for me. Like it doesn't go past that. Okay, so now we have a gross looking old mermaid costume. That's
wait
nice.
a second, what just happened?
Maybe it's left over from the other ladies.
From the previous shooting?
Yeah. She's like, we can make more content with this.
What? Okay.
All right.
You know more?
Yeah, you are the experts here in mermaid tales. That's the same girl, right? From the
Yeah,
first one? Okay.
yeah.
So she's back at it again.
So
The mermaid fiend.
she mermaid professional
Yes.
maker. I don't know how to call her. Okay. Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. It's an
Okay,
interesting
again.
texture now.
Yeah.
Feel like it's more real than the one before was.
So again, black silicone.
Emo. It's an emo mermaid.
Emo, okay. Thank ya.
Okay.
It's how I'm drawing the fire.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
The same thing.
Ooh, interesting green.
For what?
Don't know.
How come you don't know?
Why come? I don't know. Okay. Why? Ugh. Okay, we're getting rid of old parts, and now what? We're just putting on random. That's weird.
This really weird action, but I like to watch it.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's always satisfying with 5-minute crafts.
Not always.
Yeah, not always. Sometimes they throw in a foot or something, and you're like, okay.
Interesting design.
Very interesting design. So we got some glitter.
Doesn't look.
It does look like a big fish.
Yeah.
Ah, why are they doing that?
You destroy.
I kind of liked it. Okay. I guess it looks more mythical now. Wow. She gets to be a mermaid. She
Okay.
loves being a mermaid.
Yeah.
You could tell this is her favorite video to do.
Wow, but it looks awesome.
Yeah, I like
mean,
it.
Good job.
Very good.
But
I want to see them swim with it.
yeah, I would like to, but I think it doesn't. Work.
Ah! Almost. Half.
Oh, dang. I mean, what is the purpose? Just for the photo, or for what is this?
I think it's just for photo shoots. Or becoming a real life mermaid and going to visit Aquaman, Jason Momoa, your brother.
Yeah.
That's an important thing to do.
So, how you would use it?
Yeah.